This may be the weirdest family tree you've ever seen. We are talking about quadrilaterals today. Quadrilaterals have 4 sides and their angles inside add up to 360 degrees. Moving on, we have different types of special quadrilaterals. The first being a kite. For a kite, the bottom 2 sides and the top 2 sides are congruent, and then the angles across from the sides, encased with those markings, are congruent as well. Then for an isosceles trapezoid, we know that the top and bottom are going to be parallel, and then look at that isosceles part. If it's isosceles, we know that the base angles are going to be congruent, as well as the sides across from them. Now, the big one, parallelograms. Parallelograms have all sides that are parallel, indicated by these arrows right here going in the same direction. We also know that the sides across from each other are parallel as well. And then we lastly know that the angles across from each other are going to be congruent. Now, all of the qualities of a parallelogram are going to be shared between the last 3 shapes here. Now, I don't know how, but the kite parallelogram had a child, and it's called a rhombus. For a rhombus, all of the sides are going to be the same. I'm going to mark those with 1 tick mark. These sides across from each other are going to be parallel, so I'm going to add that there as well. We also know that the angles across from each other are going to be congruent. So I'm going to mark those here, just like so. Moving on to the other side of our family tree, I don't know who the parallelogram had a child with, but they made a rectangle. And for a rectangle, we know that all of the sides across from each other are going to be congruent as well as parallel. We also know, aside from the angles across from each other being the same, that all of them are going to be the same because they are all right angles. Okay, so I'm going to mark those here as well with that little box that indicates that the angles are right. Now take everything we talked about and apply it to the square. It's the favorite child, right? It has literally everything. All of the sides are going to be congruent to each other. The sides across from each other are going to be parallel, indicated by those arrows going in the same direction. And we know that all of the angles are going to be right angles. That's the square get everything, man. Like and subscribe for more.